If you're like me and you like to keep your old wigs just in case you need them for a rainy day, then this video is for you. So go ahead and pull that lace wig out your closet, that old one that's a little crunchy, and stay tuned. Hey y'all, it's Antonisha and welcome back for another video. So today I'll be showing you how to take that old, dirty, dusty, crunchy looking wig that you have in the back of the closet. I'm going to show you how to transform it to get this look here. So stay tuned. So what I'm just doing right now is showing you guys how my wig looks before. I already went ahead and washed my wig, so make sure that you do that so it can bring back the natural curls and bounce. So what I'm doing is just showing you all the clamps that I have in the wig and also the strap in the back, which is going to be super helpful because this process will be completely glueless. So you won't need any spray, any glue, or anything to hold the wig down. The clamps and the strap is going to be your best friend. What you're going to want to do is part the entire front of your hair. So from the left side to the right side, just make a part going all the way across. So left ear to right ear to left ear, however you want to start it. So with the rest of the hair that's in the back, what you're going to want to do is just braid that to the back. Get you 5 or 6 bow wow braids, take them to the back, and you're done. Well, if you don't know how to braid to the back, what you can do is just make a really tight ponytail and just put the ponytail in the back of your head so none of the hair is in the way. You'll have a little ball in the back, but if it works for you, then that's fine. It'll work, I promise. Alrighty, you can go ahead and throw the wig on and adjust the strap to your liking. Get it as tight as possible, not to where it's unbearable or uncomfortable, but just so the wig does not slide off. So adjust the straps on the side and the back and make sure the band fits snug. Alright, so after you put the wig on, you're going to push all of your leave out in the front. You're going to push that to the back. And I'm going old school today. I'm using the old school hot comb, the one that you got to put on the stove. I'm going to use that to make sure that this is super flat and all of the leave out is covering the lace in the front. So I actually seen this really cute style from Lotto. She had her natural curly hair out with a headband on. It was super, super cute. So what I'm going to do is add this headband on to my hair. And then I'm going to wand curl the entire front of my head. Now, I am going to chop this a little shorter because her hairstyle, and I'll put a picture for reference. This is how her hair looked, and I just love this style. So I tried to recreate this to make it look as natural as possible, and you'll see the end result. And this is the type of wand curl that I'm going to use. I don't know the brand, but I'll try to find it and I'll link it in the description box. But use what you have. If you have one that goes from big to small, just use the tip of the wand curl to get the curls as small as possible. And wand curling your hair is pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to talk during the process, but if you guys want a detailed tutorial on how to wand curl, just make sure you drop that in the comment box. Let me know that you'll like that and I'll do that for you guys. But I'm going to just stop talking now and let you see the process.
Yeah, you be the block, but I'm the light to keep the streets on. Know this true, the type that like to keep them on the leash, though. I'm known to walk alone, but I'm alone for a reason. Sending me a drink ain't appeasing, believe me. Come harder, this won't be easy. Don't doubt yourself, trust me, you need
am so obsessed with this shorter curly look. I think this came out super natural looking, perfect. It was super close to what I wanted, and just cutting it short was the icing on the cake. Now this wig does look refreshed. It looks like a new wig, which is not, because we just revamped it and made it a new wig. But if you guys like this video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. We just hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers, so I'm super grateful for that. And y'all know what I said, when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing the biggest giveaway my channel has ever done. So make sure you stay tuned, and I'll have details on that very soon. But like I said, if you like this video, give me a like, a comment, subscribe, so you know when I post, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.